Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 19,000 and log back in. So this error usually means there is a connection problem between your clients and the game servers. So first, restart the game and your PC, as sometimes a quick reboot solves the issue, as always. Next, check your internet connection, so make sure you're on a stable network and try switching to a wired connection if possible. Then you can flash your DNS, so open command prompt as administrator and type in ipconfig/flush DNS. Hit enter and restart Start Citizen. Still stuck? Try changing your DNS to Google's. So go to your network settings and use 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 as your DNS service, so save and reconnect. If the error continues, it may be a server-side issue, so check the official Start Citizen server status page or community forums, but in most cases, these two solutions will do the trick. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.